Hello, we are the Pandacan Malipayon Savings Group, a community of artisans in Pandacan, turning recycled plastics into sustainable, beautiful wallets, handbags, and shoulder bags. Our journey began with a simple idea to create livelihood while protecting our planet. Today, we are proud to share our story. Our hero story started with challenges, limited resources, and lack of opportunities. There was a low point when we nearly gave up, but saying our community's need for income kept us going. We turned waste into hope, crafting bags that support our families. Our biggest motivation to be the hero for families in need and build a greener future. Our business addresses a real needs with growing environmental awareness. Local and tourists seek eco-friendly handmade souvenirs. We offer affordable study bags for students, workers, and events. All profits are invested into our group, improving life and shared equally among members at year-end. This pitch is our chance to grow and empower more families. We dream of expanding our impact. With your support, we can create more jobs, promote sustainability, and ensure every family thrives. Our motivation is simple: to build a resilient community and a better tomorrow for our children.